Hi, I'm Mitch Marozas from Team Futaba USA. Here we have the new CGY760-R from Futaba. Let's get inside the box and see what you got. Right away you'll open it, you'll see you get your manual. This is what you're going to use to adjust all the settings. It'll tell you what each and everything does, from the flight tune, the swatch detail, and all the setup. Next you'll get your little warranty card. If you ever have an issue with it, you can send it here to Huntsville at Futaba USA. They'll take care of you, get it all fixed. Next you get your sticker pack. Gives you all your little different stickers, different sizes, little Futaba one, the Gyro one. Put these on your model or anywhere you want. The first thing you'll notice when you open it up then is this GPB1 box. This is what you'll use to do all your programming. You can either plug it into your 760R itself or into your radio and do some wireless tuning from it. You'll do all your setup and all your tuning from this. And now with the new version 2 software, you can actually program your S-Bus capable servos, doing all your centering, your pulse rate adjustments for the new servos, and any other thing you want. Next, you'll get your actual CGY760-R gyro. This is your gyro receiver governor. It has a little antenna cover on here to protect it while it's shipping. First thing I noticed is just the anodizing. It's an all metal case, no upgrade needed for that. It's got your antennas and your servo ports on the same side. You can actually mount this hard mounted with screws that are provided in the box, or you can use the Futaba tape in here. I personally like to use the tape on the 3E models. Going in here. Included in the bottom is your gyro mounting tape. You get 3 mounting tapes if you want to move it from a different model or you want to try it somewhere else on the model. That works too, they give you a few extra. Then these little rubber things to put in there. I like to put them in the RPM sensor since I use an external governor. You don't want to power or add voltage to the RPM sensor, so I like to block it off just to make sure I don't short it out or anything like that. Okay, and then here is your programming cords. This one for the GPB1 box, and then this one if you want to plug it into the radio and do it wirelessly. That's what comes inside the box of the CGY760-R. It is available at futabausa.com. You can purchase it with or without the programming box. And if you have any setup or tuning questions, you can contact Futaba Tech Support.